Good evening and welcome to Kathamal Shukla Cricket Stadium. Now we are watching Al Wakkar AMPL Season 2, second match of this second season. Eminent Shine Blasters taking on Asuri Travels, the finalist of the last year. Asuri Travels, the runners-up of AMPL Season 1. Asuri Travels taking on Eminent Shine Blasters. Asuri Travels has been led by Jabir Kadir and Jacob John, the captain of Eminent Shine Blasters. Now Vishak onto Salih Khan, flicked away, boundary to deep square leg. Excellent start from Asuri Travels. Asuri Travels has won the toss and they have elected to bat first. Salih Khan and Mian Usman, the two openers for Asuri Travels. Vishak, the opening bowler for Eminent Shine Blasters. A dot ball.
In the first 10 hours.
After first over completed, it's done for no loss. Said Vasif sharing the new ball with Vishak. Mian Usman on strike, chance dropped by Srijit Alokan at gully. Sorry, it's Amar Ashraf. Look like the ball has it. Ball hitting the bottom of the bat and slicing it to the gully region. Amar Ashraf, the fielder. A drop chance in the second over itself. Said Vasif to Mian Usman. A single too long on. Said Vasif to Salih Khan. Straying down the leg side. No call from the umpire. Late call from the umpire. One more two extras. Vasif to Salih Khan. Pitched up delivery. Only a single to wide long on. Now Mian Usman on strike. Oh boy, got a big heave over leg side, missing it completely. Excellent bowling from Said Vasif. Two balls remaining in this over. Yesterday, the inaugural match of MPL Season 2, Al Wakkar MPL Season 2, Inkas Alain taking on Al Fallah Big Beaters. Inkas Alain has won that match by 14 runs. Sliced over the infield. Boundary. First boundary for Mian Usman. Excellent shot. Taking advantage of the field restrictions. Yesterday, Inkas Alain has registered their first win of the season, beating Al Fallah Big Beaters. Vasif to Mian Usman. Again, plan a miss. After 2 overs gone, it's 17 for no loss. Vishak continuing from the Alin Vatta's end. Plan a miss. Ball keeping a bit low. Salih Khan on strike. Now Vishak to Salih Khan. Bit short this time. Hitting a bit high on the bat. Hurried the batsman. Only a single to mid-on. That brings Mian Usman on strike. Now Vishak to Mian Usman. Pitched up delivery. Up in the air. Chance for the fielder. Mujahid. Making no mistake. First wicket down. Mian Usman, the man to go. Excellent catch taken by Mujahid. 18 for 1. First wicket for Eminent Shine Blasters. Now the new man Jabir Kadir at non-striker's end. Salih Khan on strike. Chance for run out at the non-striker's end. Jabir Kadir, the captain of Asuri Travels. So the Travel Heroes, the runners-up of the last year, season 1. Excellent piece of fielding from Dileep. Look like it's overthrows. Missed by the fielder. Apilash at short square leg. Jaber Kadir was the captain of Suri Travels in the first season. Vishak to Jaber Kadir. Flying off the back foot. Strike to the fielder. Farhan at short extra cover. Dot ball. After 3 gone.
19.
19 for 1. Said Vasif continuing from the far end. Salih Khan on strike. He's a prolific striker of the cricket ball. Over the infield. Just over the infield. A couple of runs to Salih Khan. Vasif to Salih Khan. Pitched up delivery. Planham is outside the off stump. Excellent bowling from Said Vasif. Vasif to Salih Khan. Salih Khan on 14 from 12 balls. Again. Planham is white called by the umpire. Vasif to Salih Khan. Lawful toss. Hit down the ground. Look like only a single to long on. Said Vasif to Jaber Kadir down the leg side. Look like another wide. Yes, it is. Excellent take from Rana Bashir, the wicket keeper of Eminent Shine Blasters. Vasif to Jaber Kadir. Pitched up. Only a single to deep mid wicket. Thickish inside edge. Salih Khan on strike. Vasif to Salih Khan, pitched up delivery. Strike back to the bowler. Dot ball. After 4 gone, it's 30 for 1. Vishak. Mujahid replacing Vishak. The tall right arm fast bowler for Eminent Shine Blasters. Planham is outside the off stump. Excellent start from Mujahid. This is the second match of Al Waqar AMPL Season 2 over the infield. Jaber Kadir making use of the field restrictions. And a couple of runs. Dileep recovering the ball. Mujahid to Jaber Kadir, the captain of Asuri Travels. Down the leg side. Excellent take from Rana Bashir. Excellent glove work from Rana Amir Bashir, the wicket keeper of Eminent Shine Blasters. Mujahid to Jaber Kadir. Just opening the face of the blade at the last moment. Only a single to point. Mujahid to Salih Khan. Pitched up delivery. Heaved away to leg side. Boundary. Through deep mid wicket. No, there's a fielder there. Only a single. Straight to the fielder. Vishak at the mid wicket. Mujahid to Jaber Kadir. Guiding it to third man. Only a single. Mujahid to Salih Khan. Inside edge onto the pad. Excellent fielding from Dileep. After 5 gone, it's 36 for the loss of 1 wicket. Vasif continuing from the far end. He's into his third over. Jaber Kadir on strike. Again down the leg side, missed by the keeper. Looked like a boundary. 5 more extras. This is costly. Free runs for Asuri Travels. Vasif continuing. Starts off with a wide. It's time. Right on money. Quick single. Direct hit would have been interesting. Single to Jaber Kadir. That brings Salik Khan on strike. Said Vasif to Salik Khan. Big shot. Pulled away to deep mid wicket. Only a single. Vasif to Jaber Kadir, the captain of Asuri Travels. Plan a miss. Beaten the batsman. Excellent bowling from Said Vasif. Vasif to Jaber Kadir. Sliced. Luckily not carrying to the fielder. At extra cover. Only a single. Vasif to Salik Khan. Attempted sweep. Not succeeding. Inventive shot from Salik Khan. Not succeeding. Vasif to Salik Khan. Pitched up delivery. Not connecting well. Edging it onto the pads. That brings the end of the power plays. It's 44 for 1.
Time.
Bowling change Rauf Ali into the attack. The left arm spinner for Eminent Shine Blasters.
2 minutes 20 seconds.
Rauf Ali to Jaber Kadir. With shot. Played off the back foot. And a couple of runs to Jaber Kadir. Amar Ashraf chasing the ball. Jaber Kadir just opening the face of the blade at the last moment. Jaber Kadir on strike. Again, playing his soft hands. Yes, no. Finally, a single to Jaber Kadir. Good effort from Said Vasif at point. Now Salik Khan on strike. Rauf Ali to Salik Khan. Attempted switch hit. Not succeeding.
Come on, boy.
2 balls remaining in this over from Rauf Ali. Quicker delivery this time. Excellent running. Only a single. Final ball of the 7th over. Rauf Ali to Jaber Kadir. Flighted delivery. No ball called by the umpire. Free hit to Salik Khan. Can they capitalize?
Come on, boy.
Free hit ball. Shot. First 6 of the match. This time over deep mid wicket. Excellent shot from Salik Khan. Capitalizing on the chance. After 7 gone, it's 56 for 1. Mujahid continuing from the far end. Jaber Kadir on strike, inside edge. Lucky escape for Jaber Kadir. Mujahid to Salik Khan. Slow ball look like. Both the openers are back on the heart now. Salik Khan has been clean bowled by Mujahid. The bails are enlightened. And the second wicket goes down for Asuri Travel Heroes.
57.
Mujahid to Saif Al Jabri, the new batsman for Asuri Travel Heroes. Chance for run out. Excellent running from Jaber Kadir. Was the one going to the danger end. Both the openers are back in the hut now. Now Jaber Kadir and Saif Al Jabri. will have to reconsolidate this innings. Already 58 runs on the board. 3 balls remaining in the 8th over. Mujahid to Jabir Kadir, the captain of Asuri. Stepping down, slicing it over the infield. Excellent shot. Boundary through cover. Excellent placement from Jabir Kadir.
കറക്റ്റ് ഗ്യാപ്പ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട്
Mujahid to Jabir Kadir. Good shot. Hurried the batsman. Was in the air for a short period of time. Excellent comeback from Mujahid. Mujahid to Jabir Kadir. Excellent bowling. But missed by the wicket keeper. And a couple of runs. Wise call by the umpire Osama Hassan Shah.
అసలు కూడా అంటారు
Rauf Ali continuing. Plan is outside the off stump. Rauf Ali to Saif Al Jabri. Playing soft hands. Only a single. Jacob John, the fielder. Rauf Ali to Jabir Kadir. Good shot. Plumb in front. Given by the umpire. Wicket number 3 goes down for Asuri Travel Heroes. Excellent bowling from Rauf Ali. Rauf Ali to the new man Sonu, the right-handed batsman for Planham is outside the off stump. Excellent bowling from Rauf Ali. Rauf Ali picking up the wicket of the prize scalp of Asuri Travel Heroes captain Jabir Kadir. 2 balls remaining in this over. Sonu on strike. Another dot ball. Final ball of the 9th over. Quicker delivery. Cleaned him up. Second wicket in this over for Rauf Ali. Sonu. This time. Wicket number 4 goes down for Asuri Travel Heroes. Sonu goes for a duck. Bowling change. Mujahid has been replaced by the captain of Eminent Shine Blasters, Jacob John. Right arm medium fast bowler into the attack. The new man Sohail joining Saif Al Jabri. 2 overseas players at the crease. Already 4 wickets has gone down for Asuri Travel Heroes.
ఏనవుతా ఉందని
Jacob John to new man Sohail. Just guiding it to deep fine leg.
ఓకే
Starting off with the boundary, Sohail.
ఆర్గనైజ్ లైన్ లేదు వారు
Mohammad Sohail on strike. Again on the pads. The appeal looked like going down the leg side. Leg byes called by the umpire. Saif Al Jabri on strike now. He's on 3 from 4 balls. Excellent bowling, another dot ball. 2 balls remaining in this over from Jacob John. Again, cramping the batsman for room. Only a single to cover. The lead, the fielder. Final ball of Jandova. Took a delivery. Attempted cut, not succeeding. Straight to the fielder. Said Vasif at point. Dot ball to end the 10th over. After 10 gone, it's 72 for 4. Rauf Ali continuing from Alan Watasan. He's into his 3rd over. Had picked up 2 wickets in the last over. Saif Al Jabri on strike. Rauf Ali. Only a single to short mid wicket. That brings Mohammad Sohail on strike. Mohammad Sohail on strike. Trapped on the pads. Big appeal. Down by the umpire. Excellent bowling from Rauf Ali. Rauf Ali to Sohail. Playing with soft hands. Another dot ball. Again, excellent bowling from Rauf Ali. 3 dots in a row. Final ball of the 11th over. Again, another defensive shot. 4 dots in a row. Excellent bowling from Rauf Ali. Only given away a single run in this over. After 11 gone, it's 73 for 4. Jacob John continuing from the far end. Saif Al Jabri on strike. Is on 5 from 8 balls. Trying on the pads. Called for 2. And deciding against it, only a single. Now Mohammad Sohail on strike. Pitched up delivery. Down the ground. Still only a single. Jacob John to Saif Al Jabri. Only a single. Point. Chance for run out at striker's end. Mohammad Sohail has been run out. Overthrows. Has finally given a wicket to Eminent Shine Blasters. Looking for an extra run from the overthrow. Half a side back in the hut for Asuri Travel Heroes. Unfortunate run out. Adding salt to the wound. Now the new man Vishnu on strike. Excellent bowling from Jacob John. Overthrows from Amar Ashraf. Excellent backup from Mujahid. Cost the wicket of Mohammad Sohail. Now Vishnu, the new man on strike. Pitched up delivery, driven down the ground. Only a single to long off. Final ball of the 12th over. Saif Al Jabri on strike. Playing with soft hands. Only a single. Single to end the 12th over. After 12 gone, it's 78 for 5. Rauf Ali continuing. This is his final over. Already picked up 2 wickets. Now Rauf Ali to Saif Al Jabri. Chance. Leading edge, not carrying to the bowler. Squaring the batsman. Rauf Ali to Saif Al Jabri. Straight to the field again. Rauf Ali to Saif Al Jabri. Late cut, but straight to the fielder. Chance. Only a single though. That brings Vishnu on strike now. 3 balls remaining in this over. New batsman Vishnu on strike. Punch off the back foot. Only a single to extra cover. Two balls remaining in this over. Saif Al Jabri on strike. On the pads. Leg by is called by the umpire, Yasir. Final ball of the 13th over. Rauf Ali to Vishnu. Plan a miss. Big appeal going on for stumping.
Out.
Given. Wicket number 3 for Rauf Ali. Wicket in his final ball for Rauf Ali. Vishnu has been given stumped by the leg umpire Osama. An excellent spell from Rauf Ali comes to an end. He had picked up a wicket in his final ball. Vishnu, the last man to go. 6 wickets has already gone down for Asuri Travel Heroes. Now the new man Vishnu Ramadevi. Joining Saif Al Jabri. He's on 9 from 15 balls. Middle over collapse for Asuri Travel Heroes. Well, a single to Saif Al Jabri. That brings the new man Vishnu Ramadevi on strike. Now 82 on the board for the loss of 6 wickets.
ഫ്ലാഗ് മൊത്തം ഉണ്ടല്ലോ 7.
Vishnu Ramadevi on strike now. Jacob John, the captain of quick single taken by Ramadevi. He's off the mark now. Now Saif Al Jabri on strike. Sliced. But straight to the fielder. Misfield from Apilas in the deep. And a couple of runs to Saif Al Jabri. Three balls remaining in this over from Jacob John. Saif on strike. Again sliced. Again straight to the fielder. Abhilash. This time he makes no mistake. Excellent running this time from both the batsmen. Another couple of runs to Saif Al Jabri. Boundaries has dried up. Saif Al Jabri on strike is now on 14 from 18 balls. 6 runs has already come in this over. A productive one. Again bit short. Not getting the timing right this time from Saif. Only a single. Now Vishnu Ramadevi on strike. Final ball of the 14th over. Jacob John to Vishnu. Only a single though. Too long on. That brings the end of the 14th over. It's 89 for 6. Bowling change. Rauf Ali has been replaced by Amar. Right arm off spinner. Single to deep cover. Fumble from Srijit Alokan. But only a single. Amar Ashraf to Saif Al Jabri. Slow through the air. Swept away. Boundary. Boundary after a long time for Asuri Travels. Boundary through deep square leg. Excellent placement from Saif Al Jabri. Amar to Saif Al Jabri. Again slow through the air. Saif Al Jabri playing with soft hands. Straight to the fielder. Jacob John. 3 balls remaining in this over. Again slow through the air. This time step straight to the fielder. Excellent catch taken by Abhilash in the deep. Wicket number 7 goes down. The set batsman Saif Al Jabri back in the hut now. Now the icon player of Asuri Travel Heroes, Birshad on strike. Off the mark with a single.
കണക്ട് ആയി. നല്ല ഷോട്ടായിരുന്നു അവിടെ വെച്ച് 7.
Amar Ashraf to Vishnu Ramadevi. Slow through the air. He would have a 2 leg side. Call for 2. Chance for an outer striker's end. Poor throw from the deep. Couple of runs to Vishnu Ramadevi. Jacob John to Birshad. Only a single to deep mid wicket.
Osama, to change the bat, there is no 5 minutes, okay? They may take.
Now Vishnu Ramadevi on strike. Jacob to Vishnu with shot. Still only a single. Jacob John to Birshad. Right at the block hole. Single down the ground, straight to long off. 3 singles in a row. 100 up for Asuri Travel Heroes in the 16th over. 3 balls remaining. Pitched up delivery. Again a single to long on. 4 singles in a row. Birshad Again, a single. Said Vasif, the fielder at point. 5 singles in a row. Final ball of 16th over. Single down the ground. Look like a misfield. A rare boundary. Welcome boundary for Asuri Travel Heroes. Boundary to end the 16th over. 106 for 7. We are into the final 4 overs of the first innings. Mujahid to Birshad. Big shot chance. Excellent effort from Rauf Ali. Boundary to start the 17th over. Excellent effort from Rauf Ali in the deep. But bowler's not carrying to him. Just bounced in front of the fielder. Lucky escape for Birshad. Boundary to start the 17th over. Mujahid to Birshad. Birshad is an excellent striker of cricket ball. Again stepping down. The sensible play. Boundary followed by a single. That brings Vishnu Ramadevi on strike. Mujahid to Vishnu Ramadevi. Flicked away to deep square leg. Call for 2. Deciding against it. Only a single. Birshad deciding against the second one. Single to Vishnu Ramadevi.
Paramate. Huh?
Now the icon player of Asuri Travel Heroes, Birshad on strike. Stepping down, slow ball from Mujahid, deceiving the batsman. Dot ball. Late change in pace from Mujahid. 2 balls remaining in this over from Mujahid. Birshad on strike. Again a slow ball. This time punched off the back foot. And the boundary. Excellent shot from Birshad. Boundary through deep point. Second boundary in this over for Birshad and Asuri Travel Heroes. 10 runs has already come in this over. Excellent over for Asuri Travel Heroes. With 1 ball remaining. Mujahid to Birshad. This time down the leg side. Wide called by the umpire. Last ball of the 17th over. Mujahid to Birshad. Birshad on 13 from 8 balls. Had already hit 2 boundaries in this over. Sensible play. Single from Birshad and he will keep the strike. Bowling change. Vishak back into the attack. Vishak to Birshad. Punched off the back foot. Only a single. Vishak to Vishnu Ramadevi. Slow ball. Dot ball. Dot balls are gold dust at this stage. Now 16 balls remaining in this innings. How far Asuri Travel Heroes can go? Can the Asuri Travel Heroes travel to 150? Now 119 for 7 with 4 balls remaining in the 18th over. Vishak to Vishnu Ramadevi. Short ball. Attempted pull, not connected well. Only single to deep mid wicket. Rauf Ali, the fielder. 3 balls remaining in this over. Birshad on strike. Look like another dot ball. No white call from the umpire. Birshad on strike. 2 balls remaining. Stepping down. Big shot out deep mid wicket. 6 runs. Look like it is 6. Fast 6 for Birshad. 6 runs over deep mid wicket. Excellent shot. Stepping down and hitting it over deep mid wicket. Huge 6 from Birshad. 8 runs has come in this over with 1 ball remaining. Birshad on strike is on 21 now. Slow ball deceived the batsman. Dot ball to end the 18th over. After 18 gone, it's 126 for 7. Amar Ashraf will bowl the penultimate over of this innings. Mr. Ramadevi on strike is on 13 from 10 balls. We are into the last 12 balls. Look like a wide as it is. Final 12 balls. Amar to Vishnu Ramadevi. Slow through the air. Only a single. That brings Birshad on strike. Birshad is on 21 from 13 balls. Had already hit a huge 6 over deep mid wicket. Now 5 balls remaining in this over from Amar. 128 on the board. Big shot. Huge 6 over long on. Literally out to the park. Birshad is an excellent player of spin bowling. 4 balls remaining this over from Amar. Again heaved away to leg side. Called for 2. Excellent throw from the deep. Abhilash, the fielder, a deep square leg. Certainly saved a single for his side. Only 1 run to Birshad. That brings Vishnu Ramadevi on strike with 3 balls remaining. Amar Ashraf to Vishnu Ramadevi. Slow through the air. Another wide. Look like Amar is under pressure. Flighted delivery. Only a single to deep square leg. Only a single. 2 balls remaining in this over. Already 137 on the board. Amar to Birshad. Birshad is on 28. Again going for a big heave. Missing it completely. Look like leg buys. Yes, it is. Final ball of the 19th over. Amar Ashraf to Vishnu Ramadevi. Stepping down. Going for a big hit. Chance for the fielder in the deep. Good catch taken by Rauf Ali. Wicket number 8 goes down. This time Vishnu Ramadevi, the man to go. Vishnu Ramadevi perishes in the deep. Excellent catch taken by Rauf Ali. New band Sutin on strike. High full toss.
Yes, strike was within. Now single taken.
5 balls remaining. Asuri Travel Heroes are now on 139 from 8. 139 for the loss of 8 wickets. 5 balls remaining. Can they reach the 150 mark? Birshad on strike. The icon player. Big heave to leg side. Missing completely. Deciding against a single. Dot ball. Now 4 balls remaining. How far they can go now? How far they can travel now? Suri Travel Heroes on 139. We have the final 4 balls. Vishak. Heaved away. But slicing it to short third man. Only a single now. 140 up for Asuri Travel Heroes now. With 3 balls remaining. Now Vishak to Sutin. Slow ball. Straight to the fielder. Chance for run out. Sutin is the man to go. Wicket number 9 goes down. 2 balls remaining. Sutin sacrificing his wicket for the icon player. Chance over the fielder at short extra cover. Call for 2. And a couple of runs to Birshad and Asuri Travel Heroes. Now 142 for 9 with 1 ball remaining.
Last ball, right?
How far they can travel now? Yeah, 1 ball remaining. Birshad on 31 from 19 balls. The final ball of Asuri Travel Heroes innings. Vishak to Birshad. Chance. Taken. All out. Asuri Travel Heroes has been all out for 142 from the allotted 20 overs. 143 will be the target for Eminent Shine Blasters. Excellent performance from both the sides. Excellent bowling performance from Rauf Ali. Had picked up 3 wickets. An excellent batting performance from Birshad and Salik Khan. And their captain Jabir Kadir has taken them to 142. The target for Eminent Shine Blasters will be 143. That's it. Thank you.